Now inside this video I am going to show you how to add a functionality inside your template, and with this functionality you are going to be able to get rid or eliminate the Joomla generator. Now what do I mean with that? If you go to your Joomla site and then if you right click and view page source, normally you are going to be able to find this meta element which will be displaying the generator name. You can see the content and it will be normally Joomla 1.6, Joomla 1.7, and in this case on the latest Joomla 2.5. Now in past videos, not inside my cmsteachings.com, but inside my blog Internet Teachings, well, my old blog, I show you how to eliminate this generator with a special PHP code. In this case, I am going to show you how to integrate this PHP code inside your own template, so you can actually change this generator to whatever name you want. First of all, you will need to click down below inside the download generator folder, and you are going to be able to get this generator zip. When you right click and unzip that folder, you are going to get the generator.txt, and these will be the files, well, the text that you are going to get. And first of all, we are going to start with the XML file Joomla generator. You are going to copy all this, but before going there, you will need to go to CMS Teachings and open the template details.xml. Right click, open with, and Komodo. When you go there, you are going to open again your XML file. And let me show you what exactly this code it is going to do for your Joomla website. Right click, copy, and then you are going to go back and after the positions right there, click enter and Ctrl V, and then we are just going to indent a little bit right there, and we are going to move everything to the right. The next step will make a selection on the fields, indent, scroll down, then on the field set, indent, and finally on the field, indent. And if you notice, this will be really easy to understand. First of all, you are going to wrap everything inside the configuration. Then most of the time you are going to have the fields, and inside there the field set. The important part in here will be all the fields that you are going to be creating. In this case, we create a field with the name generator, and the label will be generator Joomla name. Now let me click Ctrl S on my keyboard, or you can also go to File and Save. Then we are going to upload that file to the server. So we are going to go down here inside the CMS Teachings, right click and upload. We are going to click to replace the template details, and then going back to the administrator, and then extensions and template manager. And the text that we just insert will create special fields inside our template. So if we go to the CMS Teachings, let's click in there, you are going to be able to see the advanced options. And as you can see, you are going to be able to see these options in here. Now you are not going to have by default this text in here. It will be empty. Okay, now this will be only the initial part. The other part will be where you are going to be inserting the PHP code on your index.php, so this field become active inside your Joomla website, and as a consequence you can actually use this field. Let me show you what we are going to do next. All this again will be the modifications that you did inside your XML file. Let's go back to the text in here, and first of all we are going to copy the PHP Joomla generator. Ctrl C. Going back to you are going to open the index.php, right click and open. Going back, and you are going to insert everything after the app get application. Okay, click enter and one more time, then Ctrl V, and there you are. Finally, we are going to go back to the text and the head Joomla generator. We are going to copy all this PHP code. Ctrl C, going back, and you are going to paste all that after the JDoc include head. So we are going to click in there and Control V. Let me just indent a little bit. There we are. Control S, and we are going to upload the index.php. Right click and upload. Click OK. Now before going there, let me explain you a little bit what's going on. If you actually notice in here, this generator between these quotes, well, these single quotes, you are going to be getting this generator from the template details, okay? Everything that you write down in here, okay, which will appear inside your template in here, will appear inside your index.php. And that will be in here. This generator will be inserted in here. And these two files in here are going to help your index.php to obtain all the information from the template details with this name in here. Okay? Right now I am just explaining you in general terms what exactly it is going to happen in here. And this PHP code will only make appear this generator when you write down in here something in here, okay? Whatever name you write in here. So if you don't write down anything in here, the standard Joomla generator will remain on your website. Right now, let me write down in here my name, Luis Ocel. And before going there, let me go in here, right click, and view page source. As you can see, the Joomla generator will be Joomla open source. But if I go back in here and click save, now with all the changes that we did inside the index.php and the template details in here, we are going to be able to display this name inside our Joomla website. Let's go back in here, refresh, and right click and view page source. As you can see, we have changed the Joomla generator. For this video, my friends, that will be it, and let's move on.